Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jeannie Zhang, immigration and estate planning attorney. And I'm also a founder of Springdale Law Group. So at Springdale, we help people with immigration, will and trust, divorce, personal injury, and criminal defenses. We're currently located in Austin, Texas. But in terms of immigration and estate planning, we represent the people from all 50 states. In today's video, I really want to talk about the immigration bill. In today's video, I really want to talk about the new immigration bill. The details of the bill was released on Friday. And if it passed, it would be really beneficial to two groups of people. Okay, the first group of people is undocumented immigrants. And the second group of people is green card applicants who already submit the I-485, but their priority dates are not current yet. So let's look at the specific requirements. First category is for undocumented immigrants. So only a certain group of people without legal status can apply for the green card after paying an extra $1,500 fee and passing the background check and a medical check. Okay, undocumented people, number one, DACA recipients. So for DACA recipients to qualify under this bill, there are two requirements. Okay, they must have arrived in this country before they were 18 and continuously living in the United States since then. And the second requirement is they have been continuously present in the United States since January 1st, 2021. Those requirements are different from the requirements for people to apply for DACA. Remember, because the requirement to apply for DACA are 16 years old. So you have to arrive in this country before you turn 16, and then you have to live in this country since June 2017. Okay, so those group of people, the DACA recipients who qualified under this bill, and they must either satisfied one of the following three requirements to apply for the green card by pay extra $1,500. Okay, the first requirement is serve in the uniformed services. And the second, graduate from a school, okay, or college, or a post-secondary vocational school. And the second requirement is you have to have a stable job for at least 3 years before applying. So basically here, what it's saying is, okay, you're a qualified DACA recipient under this bill, but the USCIS would let you to apply for the green card. Either you served in the uniformed service, or you graduate from a school and you have a certain degree. Or the third one is you have a stable job for the last 3 years. Okay, if you don't have a job, then you are not qualified. Okay, and under this tag category, under first category, undocumented people, number two, which is TPS, okay, which is so-called temporary protected status. So those in the country under temporary protected status qualified under this bill if they have been living this country for 3 or more years, and they had a TPS or qualified for TPS on January 1st, 2017. And also they have not engaged in any activities that would make them ineligible for TPS. Okay, the third one, undocumented people, number three, essential workers. So essential workers would also be permitted to apply for the green card. Okay, to qualified as essential workers under this bill, they must have been living in the United States continuously since January 1st, 2021. And also they have to show a consistent record of earned income. So which means they have been working. Okay, so this is all for the first category. So under first category, you are qualified DACA recipient and the TPS and also essential workers, then you can pay $1,500 fee to apply for the green card, even though you do not have a legal status. Okay, let's move on to the second category. The second category is green card applicants who already filed I-485, okay, but they're waiting in the line, which means their priority dates are not current yet. So there are three types of green card applicants, okay? The first one is green card applicants based on family. Okay, it's a family-based green card applicant. And those people, they, after they have I-130 approved and they got their priority day. And if your priority day is, has been 2 years old, which means after you got your priority day and you waited for 2 years, now you can pay $2,500 fee to cut the line and file the I-485, the green card application. And the second category is employment-based green card applicant. For those group of people, depending on which country that you were born. So for example, for Chinese and Indians, usually they have to wait for roughly 3 years to 5 years, even longer, to submit the I-485 green card application. Okay, so for those people, after they filed the PERM, right, and they filed I-485, they got the priority day, and the priority day has been 2 years old, then they can pay extra $5,000 fee to cut the line and apply for the green card application. To file the green card application, they don't need to wait for 5 years, 3 years until the priority day become available. Okay, and the third category is for EB-5. So EB-5 applicants, they have to pay $50,000 to cut the line to apply for the green card. This is a great news for all immigrants. And if this bill has passed into law, then most of my clients and immigrants, you all will be beneficial. So I'm really excited for you guys. I've been doing immigration law for a long time, and I heard a lot of sad stories and heartbreaking stories, you know, like a family that last week, this client came to my office. They sacrificed everything in their home country. They're from Iraq, and they came to this country. Right? They moved the whole family to this country, and the dad went through the education program, and he's a PhD, and now he found a job. But he waited for like at least 5 years after he filed the green card application, and he's still waiting. So that right now, you know, the dad has to go back to his home country because his mom is dying. So it is really sad because, you know, the broken immigration system. And I hope that this bill will be passed. And then most of the people who are educated and they have a job and they will, you know, contribute to this society, and they can pay extra fee and cut the line and apply for the green card and get a green card as soon as possible. So if it's the first time that you are on my channel, please subscribe us on social media. We are on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube channel. So subscribe us and contact us if you have any question. Thank you very much.